Help yourself to an egg shaker. When we're playing together, we all become connected. For me as an educator and a musician, the best part is to watch people discovering the possibilities of music and rhythm. I've been volunteering for Bold at Einstein for about 6 or 7 months. I've been wanting to teach for a long time, and when I met Evelyn and we talked about the program, I was just coming out of a training focusing on more of the holistic and Eastern philosophy of sound healing, and I experienced some really intense things being involved in those myself. It brought all these strangers together, a group of people that never knew each other. Just by working in a group, in a rhythm sort of setting, we got closer, and we really were able to individually branch out of ourselves in a different way. So music has that power because it taps into our primal urges. Now I want you to think about your heartbeat and feel what your heartbeat is doing. I've been a few times when it's a small group and we have really intense sessions that might even turn into open therapeutic sessions, or they want to talk about something that happened. And other times when we're big groups like there were today and we're just playing. As we get into adulthood, we kind of become a little more rigid and we don't think we can sing or dance or play drums, and we kind of become more isolated. But as you experience a trauma like that, you're kind of in a state of just bring it on. Who wants to say something? Whoever wants to can start. Nice. And what else happened? Oh, you hear that? There's several women there who are just the first ones to grab an instrument and to encourage their other buddies to join in. Without a doubt, there's always a few who won't be interested. They kind of say, I'm just going to watch. They hold the drum but don't say anything. And by the end, they're the ones really setting the tone for the group. So working with this population has really been a joy because they're so open to just the experience, and they get so much out of it, and they look forward to it each month, and I look forward to seeing them.